and start walking behind him. We've had people get shot and killed for carrying legal firearms because you've got these jittery ass, crooked ass police officers, right? So, listen, no love lost to me when it comes to police. No love lost here. But it's bitches like this. I'm talking about Sandra Doorley. I'm talking about this bitch, this top New York district attorney who put on a jaw-dropping display of arrogance and defiance towards a police officer that pulled her over for doing 55 in a 35. And the whole confrontation was captured on video, and we are going to take a look at it. This happened Monday. Monroe County's top prosecutor, Sandra Doorley, aka Karen Doorley, was clocked going 55 miles per hour in a 35 mile per hour zone by the officer, who then attempted to stop her vehicle with his lights and sirens on. But Karen Doorley drove back to her home, parked inside her garage as the officer followed her in his patrol car. What? Huh? You didn't even pull over when the lights came on? No, this bitch kept driving home and pulled up in her garage. Cops then confronted her, turning on his body camera. And we're going to take a look at the video from the get-go. Sandra Doorley gives this police officer a straight-up attitude, saying she didn't notice the officer was trying to pull her over because she was on a hands-free phone call. Paying attention but not paying attention? Listen to the excuses that an attorney is using, folks. Listen to the excuses. You know she's grabbing for any kind of, hook she can get in between. Because it's crooked-ass prosecutors like this uptight bitch who probably needs to be banged really good, okay? Needs to loosen up a little bit. Just a little bit. These are the people that are making decisions on the lives of others. And you don't even meet these people. You don't know these people. Well, let's give them 25 to life. Wow. And then they become hardened, right? They become hardened. Their hearts become hardened. The audacity of this bitch, okay? Well, listen. This Karen calls somebody on the phone while this officer is talking to her and complains to the officer's supervisor before handing him her cell phone so he can explain himself. I don't know what that was all about. But this DA, all right, district attorney, Sandra Doorley, aka Karen Doorley, tries to go inside her home, but the officer orders her to stay put as he talks to his supervisor about what just happened. She becomes exasperated, indignant, telling the officer she knows the law better than him and to get the fuck out of my house. She also called him an asshole while boasting that she's the, quote, DA of Monroe County, baby, and flashes her badge. No, you can't pull me over. I'm the district attorney in this county. In the end, Doorley asked him to write her the fucking ticket because she's the one who prosecutes the offense. So we all know what that means, right? This bitch later released a statement admitting that she had driven over the speed limit and was not above the law, while claiming that she respects police. However, she did not directly apologize to the officer. I think this is something that really needs to get out there. I really do. You all got to see this. You got to see this shit, y'all. You've got to see this. It's so indignant. The law don't apply to me. It don't apply to me.
Sorry, I'm the DA. I was going 55 and a 35.
I don't really care.
Okay.
So you can call Dennis.
Can you come? Can you please come over here? You're on. This is on a traffic stop, ma'am.
Yes, it is. You can call Dennis Kohlmeyer right now.
Okay. I'm telling you why I stopped you. You didn't stop at all. Did you not hear my lights or sirens or anything?
No, I didn't actually. I was on the phone.
Okay. Well, you're not.
You indignant bitch. Won't even look him in the eye. Won't give him no kind of fake eye-to-eye contact. No, listen, this bitch deserves to be raked over some fucking hot coals this weekend. I hope many of you other vloggers will drag this bitch for the facts of her life. I'm already wondering, are there any cases, blah, blah. Yeah, my mind's already going down that path. This indignant, arrogant bitch, okay? I hope that you're feeling quite shame of your behavior. You should feel shamed of your behavior. Look how flippant you are. But let's keep going,
You're
y'all.
supposed to be on the phone while you're driving either.
Yes, I am with the hands-free. Absolutely.
Okay. Why are you so upset at me? I'm doing my job. You just admitted to me that you were going 55 and a 35 on Phillips Road.
To leave me alone? It's
Officer Christopher. Can you stay over here, ma'am? This is a traffic. This is a legal traffic stop. Do you have your
Straight
ID?
up Karen behavior.
Here.
You have your purse right there.
No, this is my lunch. Would you talk to Dennis?
Look at this Karen.
Just go away.
Hello,
wow. Sir. Go away, huh?
Good. Ma'am, can you please stay at the back? This is a legal traffic stop. Can you please stay over here?
No. Hey, baby, could you go out of here?
Sir, I stopped her for going 55 and a 35 on Phillips Road.
On Phillips Road.
And she failed to stop. She drove all the way back
home. Who cares if you're coming home from work?
And now she's not complying with any
listen.
of my commands. Ma'am, do not go inside.
Who cares if you're coming home from work? Sandra? Do you know how many people were coming home from work and ended up shot in their chest, shot in the head by police officers? And you're walking all around, right? All the things that a police officer, none of us would ever be able to do no shit like this. The nerve of you. The nerve of you. I'm hoping that the way she treated the officer is a little bit why, part of the reason why this video made its way out. I wish they would apply that to police brutality cases, right? But anyway, sorry. This bitch done win in her house.
Yep. All right.
She done win in her house.
Ma'am, come outside. You can't just go inside. This is a traffic stop. Here's your phone back.
I understand the law better than you.
953. Can you have a supervisor come to the scene?
No. Get out of my fucking house.
I don't know why you're acting like this towards me.
Because
Can you please go to the back of the vehicle?
I'm not going to. I'm home. Okay, 55.
I don't care if you got home. You were supposed to stop at Phillips Road when I pulled you over. When my lights were initiated.
I didn't know you.
Then why isn't this bitch gonna be, they're gonna charge us and make us fight it through the courts. If she didn't stop when she was supposed to stop, why the fuck isn't this bitch in cuffs? Why isn't this bitch been arrested for ignoring a police stop? Any one of us? How many people has this bitch prosecuted for the very same offense? I'm just asking.
You were stopping me. There was lots of other people on the road.
I was right behind you.
Yeah, there were other people on the road too.
Okay, I was directly behind you.
I'm not dealing with you right now.
Can you please step over here?
I'm not going to.
We'd be in cuffs.
What is the reason you're so against what I'm doing? I'm doing my job. You say you're a DA?
I am the DA.
Okay.
Okay, let me get you my badge. I am the DA of Monroe County.
Fuck you. Fuck your badge, bitch.
Just don't understand the hostility towards me. I'm doing my job.
You're being an asshole.
How am I being an asshole?
I am the DA of Monroe County.
I understand that.
You want
but that doesn't give you a right to go 55 and a 35. And you even admitted to me that you went 50. I understand that, ma'am. I understand that.
You know what? If you give me a traffic ticket, that's fine. I'm the one who prosecutes it. Okay? Just go ahead and do it. Go ahead.
You, out of everyone, should know that if there's a legal traffic stop, which I have the right to detain you until this is done.
Then just write me the fucking ticket. I really don't care.
Why are you making such a
Well,
big
then just
deal?
hang out at the back of the car.
Because I'm the one that's going to prosecute myself. You know what I'll do with the ticket?
You tell us. Tell us. What will you do with the ticket? Listen, this lady's job, she needs to be removed from her job. Period. She needs to be removed from her job. She's sitting up there telling us what she would do with the ticket if she had gotten it. So even if you give it to her, she's not. So you got the power, huh? You got the power. Got the power. Not cool. Not cool at all. This video is absolutely meant to shame you. And there's nothing that you can do about it, Miss Doorley. Enjoy your internet fame while it's here. In the meantime, folks, before I get up out of here, allow me to pay a few bills if you don't mind. Shout out to the Leak U community. Please join us on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, and Amazon Music.
Please hit the like. Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna get up out of here because I've got a slew of videos that I've got to drop today. And next up, I want to talk about Joe Exotic, and I wanted to throw it out here in this video as well as we lead up to the next one. There's a message that Joe Exotic left overnight, and for Carol Baskins, Carol motherfucking Baskins. Those of you that watch Tiger King know, right? But I will be live again to discuss the message that he released. And he's pretty much asking Carol to do the right thing. In his mind, the right thing. So we'll get to it. We'll get to it. I'm out of here, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you for coming through. Until next time.
The judgment sentence that you are an asshole. The trial is over. Thank you, everybody.
Let's play a game. You have 10 seconds to take all your stuff and get out of my life. 10, 9, 8.
God bless you, motherfucker.
You're really smart. Like really, really, really smart. Like